Hi guys! Right now I'm making a cake. So my ingredients are beets, 1 beetroot, 1 big carrots, and 4 eggs, and walnuts. Here you go, walnuts, and peanut butter. And this is the cake mix I use. And raisins also, guys. So this is the raisins. So I blend all the ingredients except the cake mix before. Then now it's here, you go. So I mix everything here, all the ingredients, including the cake mix. Now I'm gonna use a Saladmaster EOC. So no base because I don't have a apple right now. That's why I add olive oil on the bottom so it doesn't stick on the bottom. It's so yummy, guys. I tried it already. The peanut butter, it's kick the taste of my cake. So the color is like maroon red or dark red because of the beets and the carrots. So within 15 to 25 minutes, my cake is cooked in a EOC. Electric oil skillet of Saladmaster. Hold on. Sayang kasi. Sayang ang dumikit sa bowl. Yan. So I'm putting on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, then close the lid. So in about 15 to 25 minutes in between the time, it's gonna be cooked. So when it's like clicking, this brain of our cookware, when it's click, I'm gonna turn it to low heat. It's gonna be like 175 degrees later. Now it's like 10 minutes already, so I'm gonna turn it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The cake. So let's check inside. Okay, so it's not yet done. Now let's check out the cake. So I turned down the 95 degrees Fahrenheit after 15 minutes. So now, oh my god, this is cooked already. So after 20 minutes, it's done. Let's check. Yeah, it's cooked already. See guys, it's perfect. Oh my god, look at that. The bottom, no burn. See? Wow. So I'm gonna try my cake, of course. I'm the cook, so I'm the first one who gonna try it. It's hot. So let's check it out. Mauna ang kain ko ng cake. So guys, see? And so it's a chocolate cake. So you can see the nuts, the walnuts. And let's try. Wow, so yummy. It's pretty good. Wow. Wow na wow. Wow, ang sarap. Yung the peanut butter, it kick the taste. It's 2 full spoon of peanut butter. Sarap guys, oh. It's tamang-tama. It's like equal the ingredients. Yummy, yummy. So 4 eggs, 1 carrots, 1 beets, and what else I add? And walnuts, and 2 spoon of peanut butter, and raisins. Sarap. Makakarami na naman ako nito guys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Let's eat po. Bon appetit. Kain po tayo. Ang ganda oh. Kamay na lang. Sarap guys. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.